What's up, everybody on YouTube? Justin here, just coming to you with another haul video. This is going to be my daily finds from the local thrift store. I typically stop at the local Goodwill about every day. They do put out new stuff every day, so you never know what you might run into, right? And I found that if I get there at about 4:30, my time is when they're putting out new stuff, so that way I can check out and see what little barb colors they have, so I'm not going through the same stuff every single day. I typically go through all of the clothing about once a week, and other than that, I just check and see what the half off colors are for the week, or see what new tags are putting out, and just look for those colored tags and check real quick, and then check the electronics, toys, and stuff like that. So I'm going to share with you some of the things I picked up. Now, this isn't just from today, but I got things sitting back from a couple days ago. I think from like Saturday into today. So I'm just going to share a few things with you that I picked up. But just remember, this wasn't at one stop. It was between 2 and 3 stops. And I'm not going to share everything with you. I'm going to try to keep the video at about 10 minutes, just to give you an idea of some of the different things that I got, and to respect everybody's time. And so hopefully you can get through the whole video, which is a 10-minute one instead of like a 50-minute haul video, which I know some people like. And I do that sometimes. Sometimes I watch those haul videos that are really long. I'll just let them go in the background while I'm listening or whatever. But we're not going to do that today. Today what we're going to do is just go real quick and just take you through some of the stuff that I got. I'll go through the things that I picked up today, for starters, because, well, it's just right here next to me. For starters here, I got these like blue chambray shorts. They're like golf shorts or something, and they are Polo, right? Vintage Polo Golf, Ralph Lauren. I don't know if you can see that tag. There we go. Polo Golf, Ralph Lauren. They are a size 38. Oh, sorry about that. And they look good. They're in decent shape, and I saw these things about every day that I was in there, but I didn't pick them up because I was like, I don't really know. They don't really have like a polo, like a pony on them or anything on the outside. But this week is black tags week, so black tag, $2. Pick that bad boy up. How much I'm gonna sell it for? I have no idea. I'm hoping at least like 25 shipped. I didn't check the comps on it, but it's golf season, and the vintage Polo golf stuff does fairly decent, and it's like a chambray, nice light, sporty shorts. Also picked up just a blazer, just a navy blue blazer. This is a wool blend. That's the tag on it. I'm pretty sure it's probably wool and polyester, but that's just a Stafford. Stafford is a not a super high-end brand, but it's a standard brand. This is a 39R, so it's sort of smaller, but it's got these gold buttons on it here. So it's got the it's got the Stafford logo. I know it's not really focusing in on that Stafford label there, but it's got the Stafford gold buttons on it, navy blue, and this was half off, so I picked it up for $3. So for $3, I figured not a bad pickup. I want to try to get about 35 shipped out of that, 25 to 35 shipped. Now, here's a pretty cool find. These shoes here, right? These are some little tassel loafers here, nice brown color, and they are Allen Edmonds. If you can see it, you see in there, Allen Edmonds. I don't know if we're going to be able to. There we go, Allen Edmonds, right? Very nice, Maxfield, not worn on the insides at all. Paid $7.99 for them. The bottoms are in really good shape, pretty decent. I'll clean these up a little, but they're really in excellent condition. Now the funny thing about this is the same thrift store that had these for $7.99 had this old beat up pair of Nikes for $14.99. And I looked them up because sometimes the Nikes, the vintage Nikes, could be worth something. These weren't. They were junk, but for $14.99. And then they've got these Allen Edmonds, which are probably two $300 plus shoes here in great shape for $7.99. So I don't know how much I'm going to get for these. I'll have to look at the specific model and stuff like that. I know in the past I've got anywhere between $50 $75 for some Allen Edmonds, and even the vintage Allen Edmonds that are pretty beat up do pretty well. So I picked those up for $7.99. Let's see. Picked up another blazer here. This I actually did pay. I paid $6.99 for it. And it is also a Stafford. These things are everywhere, right? The Stafford here. And this size is a 46R, so it's a good size. And the cool thing about this is it's 50% wool and 50% lamb's wool. Now it's not a tweed. It's not real like bristly or anything. But look, it's got these elbow patches here. And it's got like these faux leather buttons, and so this is going to be a pretty good seller here. Probably not in the middle of spring and summer, which we're getting ready to head into, but for sure when we get into fall and stuff like that, I would expect to get maybe $45-50 shipped out of this. So that's a pretty good find. Let's see. Picked up some women's jeans. I am going to try and maybe get into some Poshmark, and I think I'm just going to start doing women's stuff on Poshmark because there's a lot of women's jeans and I always pass over them. So I think this would be a good opportunity for me to get into Poshmark, to maybe expand into a little bit of women's denim or something like that, and not have to cross post all of my men's stuff from eBay. Right, so I picked up a pair of 7 for All Mankind. That's what those look like there. There's the tag, 7 for All Mankind. These are not like dojos or anything. They're just regular pants. No idea how much I'm going to get for those. Paid $5 for them. So a 25 or higher is what I'd like to get. Now BKE is Buckle. Buckle does really well in men's, not so much in women's on eBay anyway that I've found, unless it's like a particular like style. So I'm going to try to get rid of these on Poshmark as well. Also picked up a plus size, which I'm looking for the plus sizes like 12 and up. Not if any of you ladies are out there 12. I think 12 is a beautiful size. I think all sizes are beautiful. They're all stunning, right? Women out there, you're beautiful women. But what would be considered a plus size, the bigger sizes to the general public, or I hear what do well. So I got these pair of silver jeans, right? And so there's the well, you can see that there. Isn't that? Okay, there's the label there. It's got the thick stitch in the pockets. And these are a size. This is a Francis 18-inch. That's the style that it is. And these are a size 24-31. So a bigger size for sure, but they're in great shape. They're a dark wash. Again, don't know how much I'm going to get for these. I'm hoping at least 25 plus, maybe with the bigger size 35 to 40. I don't know. I'm going to have to check the comps on it. Last pair of women's jeans that I got to try out. I did pay up for these. I paid $12.99. But they're Ed Hardy, right? So Ed Hardy on the back there. Got Ed Hardy on the front. It's got this little like skull Ed Hardy thing in the jeans, Ed Hardy in the back. So what I'm hearing is Poshmark is all about like the way things look and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know, but size 31. No idea how much I'm going to get for that. I'm hoping like 40 to 50. Paid 13 for them, so maybe more. I don't know. I'll just have to check it out. All right. Back to the men's jeans, bread and butter here. Levi's 559s. Levi's are pretty much bread and butter. They do a lot of different styles. The 559s do well. It doesn't have the size on the tag back here, but it's got it. It does have it written in here somewhere. They're 44-34, so big size. So I'm looking to get 25 to 30 shipped out of those. So if I pick up a pair of jeans for $5 and I sell them for $25, with flat rate envelope shipped, I make about $10. So spend $5, make $10, not bad. Last thing here I want to show you before we go. I gotta go over here and grab it. last thing is a Guitar Hero guitars, right? This was $9.99, and it comes with the case. It doesn't come with the game. The case has a broken zipper, which I'm not too worried about. But it's got a broken zipper. Two of these, okay. Now these don't have like the dongles or anything. They're not wireless. They're actually for PlayStation 2, right? So it's got they're wired, connected PlayStation 2. This is model PSLGH. Now, when you look up the PSLGH, you find a lot of these, and they're red, right? They're red, and they sell for about 25 shipped each. Okay, I've tried to look. This is like a wood grain, right? I've tried to look for this wood grain a lot of, like on eBay and stuff like that, and I have not been able to find this model in wood grain. Like, you know, type in wood grain, it just comes up with a bunch of red ones. But there's two of them in there. The other one is it's the same model, but it comes with a strap, right? And it's a little bit darker. You can tell the difference. It's a little bit darker around the edge than the wood grain, but they're both connected. So if this would have came with the game, that would have been pretty sweet. What I'm going to do is peel off some of those like crappy stickers. The ones that are on there pretty good and aren't horrible, I'll leave on. But like some of these look like these are just like peeling off, right? So I'll just peel that off, clean it up real good, get it listed. Not sure how much I want to get out of this. I spent, you know, 10 on it, so I might try to list them for like 45 to 50 plus shipping, and that'd be pretty sweet. Now, I don't like to hold on to these a real long time. As a matter of fact, I don't really like to buy them too much, but this was a pretty good deal. For one, you always run the risk of, you know, somebody saying it doesn't work or whatever, even after you test it. And for two, they're a pain in the butt if you're limited on space to sort of keep around, and also to ship. I end up having to like stack boxes together, sort of Frankenbox it to ship it out. But anyway, there's just a few things that I picked up. I know I did run over the 10 minutes. I got it about 12 and a half. But I hope that this gave you some inspiration to go out there and find some things to look for, just some ideas of what I pick up. And yeah, hey, go out and get it. You know, go make it happen. If you like the video, thumbs up, like it, and share. Leave a comment. I'll have my Instagram and Twitter linked below. Go ahead and follow me on those. And thanks for watching. And I'll catch everybody later.